Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna have a look at Miami Cobra GT. This time on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. So this is a budget racing game from 1991. And the reason for playing this is that I reviewed this game recently on the Amstrad CPC. And that was pretty crap actually, so let's hope this one is better. Okay, so here we go. Redefine the keys here. Right, gear, turbo. I will probably forget to use the turbo because I have a short memory. Let's start the game, hope for the best. So here we go. Wait for it. Oh, there you go, that was the signal. So here we go, cool. Yes, looks okay for a Spectrum game, must say. Nice, sharp graphics. More pleasant sound, motor sound than the Amstrad version, and much smoother. Yes, and all this skid sound that was so apparent in the Amstrad version is gone here. It's just quiet in the bends. So smoother for my ears. Yeah, this runs much better, nice frame rates. And it's so much easier to control the car in the bends. It's just smoother handling and drivability in this version. The Amstrad version was crap actually. It was impossible to take the turns normally. You get stuck in the lampposts and skyscrapers and couldn't get out of there. This is just much smoother. Nice pace overall in this game as well. I'm very positive. This is very well worth that kind of money that it costed. I don't know how much it costed. It two quid perhaps, I don't know. Please comment in the comment section if you do know. I have not done my homework here, so. Well, 199 is pretty basic for a 80s, no, early 90s budget title, I think. 199 or 299. Alright, so here we go. So my map is up to the left. I have no time to watch it, so I have to try to stay on the road here. Ugh. So that is my overall progress for this track. So I will probably not make this track. Okay, try to use my turbo. Yes, here is a turbo. Can I catch up? But they are blocking the way. Deliberately blocking away 3 fat cars. So I'm just gonna try this game out until I'm game over. It will be a quick video. So this is just the first look of this game, and I must say quite enjoying this one. Much better than the crappy Amstrad version. Oof. Never again will I play that one. So here's another little bit of change in environment here now. The new stage of this track. So 15 seconds to go, is it? Let's put the turbo in. Yes. Move your asses. Here I come. And yep, that was that turbo. Oh shit, I was looking at the map there, so lost control of the car. 4 seconds to go. I will not make it, but I'm pretty close actually. I'm pretty close. Out of time. Okay, I'm gonna try it once again. Okay. I'm gonna try it once again. Game over. Start game. Yeah, I think that the turbo is the key to success here, actually, if I want to get there in time, the full track. So change gears here, yeah, okay. So I should try not to get stuck. Just loosen the gas pedal in the bends, not to lose. Try not to lose so much speed. Oh, here we go again. Ooh! Step on it again. Ooh! And another one. It's a little bit of... I don't remember what game I'm thinking of, actually. Is it VR's Veclemon? No, it's not Veclemon. I don't remember. Not. It reminds me of a game on the Spectrum that I have reviewed. Perhaps it's Chase HQ something. I don't know. Don't remember now. There are so many games. So. No, I'm losing speed. Let's put it in the turbo. Oh no, I will use turbo in the bend. Shit. My mistake. Ooh. Yeah, losing time. Get out of the way. Let me through. I'm in a hurry here. Can't you see? I am the master of this road. You are just parasites. Parasites of the road. Ooh, shit. I should try to use the turbo here in the straight. Fuck. No. Ooh, shit. "41 seconds. Ugh. Push it, baby, push it. Oh, those 3 cars are blocking the way. Yes, but I'm gonna overtake you. And more turbo. Ugh, push it. Push it, baby. No! Ooh. 26 seconds, 28 seconds, or something like that. Turbo again, push it, push it. Ooh! Stupid lamppost. Turbo again. How many turbos do I have available? This is cool. Ooh! Turbo. Yes, I have more turbos. But I am running into lamp posts. 12 seconds to go. I will probably not make it either this time either. Eight seconds. But I'm pretty close by. Turbo. I don't have any turbos. Move your ass. I'm so close. Look at the map. I'm so close, but I'm not gonna try again. Not in this video. Later, yes. That was game over. That was Miami Cobra GT on the Spectrum. I'm very impressed. Cool for a budget title. Yes, cool game. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. Much better than the crappy amateur version. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.